Let me show you how to create this brush stroke effect.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Create a new document with this size. Upscale and adjust your image position. Drop your brush stroke image. Go to select and choose all, then copy it. Create a new layer and delete the brush stroke layer. Click on the canvas to drop a black color. Add a layer mask. Hold Ctrl and click on the layer mask. Press Ctrl V to paste. Now go to Image and choose Invert. Click on the black layer, there you have it. Drag your brush stroke to the main document. Reduce the opacity to position it well. Convert your brush stroke to smart object. Hold Alt and click on the thumbnail to select pixel. Add the layer mask to the image layer. Hide the brush stroke.